Hi! In front of me is HonorPad X8 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll down again, click on Fonts and select the best one for you by clicking on it. I will go with Dreamer. Now hit download at the bottom. And last but not least, tap on apply. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back to your default font style, click on Me section next to Free, select Default, and tap on Apply button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!